Ngucanio gatagati ka honge CIIRUGAMITIE ni ikoretwo ikiyumiria mahinda kwa mahinda ndũgamo ici rimwe kirekiriria magoti-ini mutugo uria munini wa President Rigathi GACHAGUA amenereirie ikaro-ini na honge ici mwena wa Naivasha. GACHAGUA augite ni mahitia honge ici kwanika ngurani cia muingi-ini undu uria kuringana nake ni uhingicaga muingi.
I implore you upon you to generate actionable insights to orient strategy implementation by both levels of government so as to avoid risks and losses, enhance integrity and accountability, and improve governance controls.
I know that one of the objectives of this consultative forum is to exchange views on the parameters of independence and interdependence in a public sector setting. Finding the right balance between independence and interdependence is not an easy task.
When we found instances where independent offices and constitutional commissions are in conflict and they start a no-out war in the press, we confuse the people of Kenya and they get lost. Let us use this framework. Where there are issues, please let our office know so that we call you and we listen.
Mwaka muhituku President William Ruto ni athukiire wabici ya munini wa President mahinya ma gutuithanagia ndũgamano gatagati ka honge ici kiumbe GACHAGUA akihinyiriria honge ici kuhuthira mweke uyu.
I've had nasty exchanges that are necessary between the Inspector General of Police and the Police Service Commission over the press. We have put the two offices together, the Constitutional Commission, that is a Police Service Commission, and the Inspector General of Police, and already discussions are going on and we have made very good progress.
Gukiri uguo munini wa President NIAKURANITE moritu ma kimbeca maria magumiire honge ici agiteterithie bata wacio kuhuthira mbeca cia muingi na wigiririki hatari witangi.
We are here talking about a very tight fiscal space. We are here saying we don't have money for development. We don't have money to buy you vehicles. Yet, you take one arm of government to court, you pay lawyers, they engage lawyers. But the one paying both lawyers on both sides is the same person, the people of Kenya. And it's not fair.
Ushirithania munene Martha Koome ni umwe wa aria mauma gikaro-ini giki akihinyiriria bata wa kugitira wiyathi wa honge iria ciathite ona gutuika ni kurabatarania kubwo kwa watho wa gucinya fara.
Judiciary has given many rulings that have made our life very difficult. But despite that, we respect the independence of the judiciary.
Judicial Service Commission, we've been discussing how we can come up with a mechanism for evaluation of the commissioners to enhance accountability, much the same way as it is done by the state corporations. But we must jealously guard our independence when we work together so that no one institution is compromised.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mubi wa Shege.